Welcome to MoneyMatic Masters, where automation meets innovation, and your money works harder than you do. Today, we're diving into a game-changing video. 5 AI-powered rental businesses that make money while you sleep. Whether you're a side hustler, a digital nomad, or a full-blown entrepreneur looking for scalable passive income. So grab a notepad, because by the end of this video, you'll have 5 ready-to-execute rental business models that can scale with minimal effort and maximum automation. The booming rental economy. From homes to cars to experiences, people prefer renting over buying. And the global rental economy? It's expected to surpass $335 billion by 2027, driven by urban living, digital nomads, and a shift toward experiential spending. But what most people don't realize is this. AI has unlocked a new level of passive income in the rental world, allowing solo entrepreneurs to run entire rental businesses from their phones while they sleep. We're talking fully automated, property rentals, car sharing, even vending machines and ATMs. These aren't gimmicks. These are legit income streams powered by smart systems that handle everything, from customer interaction to dynamic pricing and inventory management. Let's dive into the first income stream. AI-powered Airbnb automation, the passive host's dream. In the old days, Airbnb hosting was a hustle. Constant guest communication manual, pricing changes, scheduling cleanings, managing check-ins and key exchanges. With the right AI stack, you can run multiple Airbnb properties hands-off, like a hotel manager with a team of robots. Here's how it works. Smart guest communication with AI tools like Hospitable and Guesty use AI to auto-respond to inquiries instantly. Send check-in instructions based on booking time. Handle FAQs like Wi-Fi passwords, house rules, and directions. Even detect negative sentiment in guest messages and flag them for review. Dynamic pricing with AI. Platforms like PriceLab's, Wheelhouse, or Beyond Pricing scan competitor rates, seasonal demand, local events, and holidays, booking window behavior. Then they automatically adjust your listing price daily to maximize occupancy and profitability. Think of it as your own stock market algorithm, but for your rental pricing. Automated turnover and maintenance scheduling. AI platforms now integrate with cleaning teams and maintenance apps. When a booking ends, the system notifies your cleaner, assigns the task, sends them entry codes, verifies completion with photos, auto-updates your calendar. Smart home integration. Add in a few smart devices, and your Airbnb becomes a self-regulating machine. Smart locks. Generate time-sensitive access codes for each guest. Smart thermostats. Adjust temperature when guests arrive or leave. AI security cams. Monitor entry points and alert you only for suspicious activity. All these devices can be managed remotely, or even better, connected to your AI assistant. The passive earning example. Let's say you're managing 2 Airbnb properties, fully automated. Each brings in $2,000 per month net. You spend less than 2 hours per week managing both. 80% of tasks are handled by AI. Guest chat, pricing, cleanings, locks. That's $4,000 per month on semi-auto. Scale that to 5 to 10 properties. You're talking 5-figure monthly income, even as a remote host. Renting AI-powered vending machines. Automated sales, 24/7. Think vending machines are old school? Think again. Today's vending machines come equipped with AI-driven inventory systems, dynamic pricing algorithms, and facial recognition for personalized upsells. Here's how it works. You place the vending machine in a high-footfall area. Think office parks, gyms, schools, or apartment complexes. The AI tracks buying behavior and automatically restocks with best sellers. It adjusts prices based on demand, time of day, or even weather. Yes, hot drinks on cold days. Top tools and tech. Cantaloupe systems for AI inventory management and route optimization. Vending Sense offers smart machines that integrate with cloud-based dashboards. PayRange enables contactless mobile payments and gathers consumer analytics in real time. The best part? You don't need to be physically there. The entire operation, from restocking alerts to payment processing, runs in the background. With one machine generating $500 to $1,000 per month, Just 5 to 10 units can turn into a solid $60,000 per year passive stream. Automated party equipment rental. Let AI handle the chaos. From photo booths to inflatable castles, people rent party gear like crazy, especially for birthdays, weddings, and corporate events. But managing bookings, deliveries, and inventory, that's where most hustle dies. Enter AI automation. Here's how to win this game without burnout. Create an online storefront via Wix or Shopify. Plug in AI scheduling tools like Checkfront or Bookio. They manage availability, automate bookings, and even assign deliveries. Use Zapier or Make.com to connect your storefront with customer communication, logistics, and even digital invoicing. Bundle your gear into themed packages, like Kids Carnival or Wedding Essentials, and let AI upsell based on previous customer behavior. Delivery and setup, outsource it locally. Your job, own the system. Let the tech run the show. Expect to charge $200 to $1,000 per rental, with gear paying for itself in just a few bookings. Passive ATM ownership with AI cash flow tracking. Yes, you can own an ATM. And no, you don't have to refill it yourself. This model is criminally underrated. Here's how it works. You buy or lease an ATM. Cost approximately $3,000 to $5,000. Place it in a cash-heavy location, bars, barbershops, nightclubs, etc. You earn from surcharge fees on every transaction, usually $2.50 to $3.50. Now add AI to the mix. Tools like Paloon USA, 𝐻𝐿, and 𝐷𝐿 offer smart ATMs that track cash levels, automate reporting, and even alert armored refill services when it's time. Platforms like Atmia and Switch Commerce allow remote monitoring, fee optimization, and predictive analytics to pick better locations over time. If you're serious about building passive income streams with low overhead and high automation, subscribe to MoneyMatic Masters AI. We break down profitable AI-powered business models every single week. Your next income stream doesn't need your 9 to 5, it needs your 9 minutes of setup. Let's make money while you sleep. See you in the next one. Why most passive income ideas are overcrowded and overrated. Let's be real. Most passive income ideas don't work for everyone. You've probably heard the usual advice. Start a blog, but ranking on Google takes months or even years. Sell on Amazon, but competition is insane, and fees eat up your profits. Invest in real estate, but not everyone has thousands of dollars to buy property. So, what if you could tap into low-competition, high-reward passive income ideas that are actually working in 2025? That's exactly what we're diving into today. 10 untapped passive income streams that no one talks about. These aren't just theories. People are already making thousands from these methods. And the best part? Most of them require little to no experience. Let's get started. 1. AI-generated ebooks and audiobooks. Sell digital products on autopilot. Books have always been a great passive income stream, but writing a book takes months, if not years, until now. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude AI, and Jasper AI, you can create full-length books in hours, not months. How it works. Use AI to generate book content. Fiction, self-help, business guides, etc. Format it with tools like 𝐻𝐸 for a professional look. Publish it on Amazon Kindle, Apple Books, or Gumroad. Convert it into an audiobook using AI voices from 11 Labs or Murph AI. 2. Micro SaaS with no coding. Own a software business without being a developer. You don't need to be a programmer to own a software business anymore. With AI-powered tools, you can create micro SaaS, small software businesses, without writing a single line of code. How it works. Use no-code platforms like Bubble, Adalo, or Glide to build an app. Use AI integrations like OpenAI's API to add smart features. Sell your software as a subscription, $10 to $99 per month. Scale by targeting small business owners, solopreneurs, or niche markets. 3. AI-powered stock photo sales. Sell images without a camera. Stock photography is still a huge industry, but instead of taking photos, you can now generate them with AI. How it works. Use AI tools like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, or DALL-E to create high-quality images. Upload them to Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Etsy for passive income. 4th. Subscription-based Notion templates. Make money without updates. Notion is one of the fastest-growing productivity tools in the world. People are willing to pay for pre-made Notion templates that save them time. How it works. Design custom. Notion templates, budget planners, business dashboards, personal organization tools. Sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. 5. Automated online course creation. Sell education without teaching. Online courses are one of the biggest passive income streams today, but creating a course used to be a massive effort. Not anymore. AI tools can handle 90% of the work for you. How it works. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to generate a course script. Use Synthesia or HeyGen AI to create video lessons with AI avatars. Upload it to Teachable, Kajabi, or Udemy. Sell it as a one-time course, $49 to $499, or a subscription. 6. Voice cloning for paid projects. Get paid for AI-generated voices. The demand for high-quality AI-generated voices is skyrocketing. Businesses, YouTubers, audiobook creators, and even game developers need realistic AI voices, and you can profit from this demand. How it works. Use AI voice cloning tools like 11 Labs, Resemble AI, or PlayHT to create ultra-realistic voiceovers. Offer voice services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Voices.com. Create and sell AI-generated audiobooks on Audible and Amazon Kindle. License AI-generated voiceovers to YouTubers, podcasters, and video creators. 7. Selling AI-generated music tracks. Monetize AI-produced beats. AI is revolutionizing the music industry by generating original, royalty-free tracks. You don't need to be a musician, you just need the right AI tools. How it works. Use AI music generators like Boomy, AIVA, or SoundRaw to create original tracks. Upload them to stock music platforms like Audio Jungle, Pond5, or Envato Elements. License AI-generated music for commercial use. YouTube creators, filmmakers, game developers. Sell custom beats or background music for social media videos. 8. AI-powered social media management. Automate content creation for clients. Managing social media accounts is a time-consuming job, but AI tools now make it almost 100% automated. How it works. Use AI content tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, or Copy.ai to generate high-quality captions and post ideas. Use Canva's AI tools to design stunning visuals in minutes. Automate scheduling with tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, or Publer AI. Offer AI-driven social media management services to small businesses. 9. White label AI tools for businesses. Sell AI services without building anything. Businesses are hungry for AI solutions, but most don't have the resources to develop their own. That's where white label AI tools come in. You resell existing AI technology under your own brand. How it works. Partner with AI platforms that offer white label solutions. Chatbots, AI copywriting, AI analytics. Brand the software as your own and sell it to businesses, agencies, or influencers. Charge a monthly subscription fee, $29 to $299 per month. Scale by targeting small businesses that want AI but don't know how to set it up. 10. High-ticket affiliate AI courses. Promote AI learning and earn big commissions. Online education is booming, and AI-related courses are some of the highest-earning affiliate products right now. How it works. Sign up for high-ticket AI course affiliate programs like Udacity, Coursera, or private AI coaching programs. Create content, blog posts, Twitter threads, LinkedIn articles about AI trends, automation, and AI business models. Include affiliate links and earn commissions ranging from $200 to $1,000 per sale. Your passive income blueprint starts now. Now you've seen 10 untapped passive income ideas that most people are completely overlooking. So, what's your next move? Will you start selling AI-generated books? Build a white label AI business? Or maybe launch AI-powered stock photography? The biggest mistake most people make is waiting too long to take action. Passive income isn't built overnight, but the sooner you start, the sooner you can start earning. Comment below which method you're most excited to try. Make sure to like and subscribe to MoneyMatic Masters for more high-value money-making strategies. Turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. This is MoneyMatic Masters, helping you build wealth the smart way.
This channel is for education purpose only. All videos, presentations, and writing are only for educational purposes and are not intended as investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk and after consulting your financial advisor.
Imagine this. You roll over in bed, check your phone, and boom! You just made $117 overnight. No charts, no late-night stress, no manual trades, just passive income on autopilot. Welcome to the new era of AI-powered crypto trading bots, where your money works for you 24/7, even while you sleep. In this video, we're diving deep into how complete beginners can make $100 per day or more using these bots safely, legally, and without needing to know a single thing about trading. Let's go. Why crypto trading bots? The future crypto is fast. Like really fast. The market never sleeps and prices shift every second. If you're trading manually, you're instantly at a disadvantage. AI bots? They're like tireless machines that scan hundreds of tokens per second, react to market news before the headlines even finish loading, analyze technical indicators in milliseconds, execute trades with zero emotion. That last part is huge. Humans panic, bots don't. And when markets crash, the bot doesn't get scared. It just follows the math. Today's best bots use advanced AI like natural language processing, NLP, to scan social media news reinforcement, learning to optimize trade outcomes neural networks to detect patterns invisible to human eyes. That's why hedge funds and institutional traders are already using these systems. Now you can too, without needing to code or invest millions. Top AI-powered crypto bots and how they work. Let's look at 5 beginner-friendly AI bots that are dominating the scene right now. 1. Pionex. Simplicity plus power offers. 16 plus built-in bots right out of the box. Great for strategies like grid trading, spot futures arbitrage, and infinity grid charges. Super low fees, 0.05% per trade. Available on desktop and mobile with real-time analytics. Why it's great? Pionex is plug and play. You don't need to know indicators, candle patterns, or Fibonacci retracements. You pick a strategy, define your limits, and let the bot handle the rest. Even better, you can start with just $50. 2. BitsGap. Cross-exchange dominance combines AI signals with customizable trading logic. Compatible with over 25 exchanges like Binance, Coinbase Pro, Kraken, and more. Includes grid bots, futures bots, arbitrage bots, and combo strategies. Advanced dashboards with profit-loss breakdowns, backtests, and trailing options. Why it's great? Perfect for users who want more control and flexibility. Plus, you can monitor your entire crypto portfolio across exchanges in one place. The free trial gives access to full bot automation for 7 days. 3. Copy top traders offers. Smart trade features with AI-assisted take profit stop loss. Access to a copy trading marketplace. Follow bots with verified profits includes dollar cost averaging, DCA, and options bots. Connects with TradingView for advanced users. Why it's great? If you don't want to build your own strategy, just copy someone else's. You can browse by profit percent, win rate, or time running. It's like hiring a pro trader without paying a salary. 4. Crypto Hero. AI for mobile-first users. AI-enhanced bots based on MaskD, RSI, Bollinger Bands, and custom signals. Web and mobile dashboard features built-in paper trading mode. Free version available. It's cloud-based, simple to use, and you can start without spending a cent. How to set up your first bot. Step by step. Let's break this down into simple steps. Step 1. Choose your bot. Pick a platform. If you're an absolute beginner, go with Pionex or Crypto Hero. If you want more control, try BitsGap or 3 Commas. If you want hands-free investing, go with Stoic. Sign up, verify your account, and connect your crypto exchange using an API key. Don't worry, this doesn't give the bot withdrawal access. It only allows trading. Step 2. Define your strategy. You'll see different bot types. Grid bot, buys low, sells high in sideways markets. DCA bot, buys at regular intervals to average out price trend bot. Buys during upward momentum. Sells on reversal arbitrage bot. Exploits price differences across exchanges. For beginners, start with grid or DCA. They're safe, simple, and consistent. Step 3. Set trade parameters. Choose how much you want to invest. Start with $100 to $200. Trade limits. Min-max per trade. Risk control features like stop loss, take profit strategy automation, like trailing stop or compounding profits. The platform often gives suggestions based on historical data. Step 4. Turn on and monitor. Once you're live, the bot takes over. It scans the market, enters trades, exits trades, and logs everything. You can monitor real-time P&L, pause, share resume. Anytime adjust parameters as you grow more confident. Tip: set alerts so you can track progress without checking constantly. Done. You've now got a passive income stream running 24/7. In the next part, we'll walk through how much you can really make mistakes to avoid and the best ways to maximize profit while reducing risk. Segment 2, real earnings, smart risk management, and profit-boosting tactics. Let's talk results. So you've got your AI crypto bot up and running. Now the real question is, how much can you actually make? Real earnings breakdown. What to expect. Most bots aim for small, consistent profits, anywhere from 0.5% to 2% per day, depending on your strategy, market conditions, and coin volatility. Let's break it down with a simple example. Starting capital, $500 daily profit, approximately 1% daily earnings, $5 per day, monthly earnings, 150 plus add, compounding. And that number grows faster than you'd expect. Now imagine you scale to $2,000 or $5,000 in capital. Suddenly you're looking at $50 to $100 a day, without touching a thing. Some advanced users report 3 to 4% daily gains using high-frequency or leveraged bots. But this comes with higher risk, and it's not ideal for beginners. The key here isn't quick wins, it's sustainable, scalable returns. How to maximize profits and scale up. Once your bot is stable and earning reliably, you can scale up and optimize for bigger returns. Here's how. Use compounding set profits to automatically reinvest. A $100 profit becomes $200 capital, which brings in higher daily returns. Add more bots. Each bot has a specific focus. Running 3 to 5 bots across coins and strategies multiplies your earning potential. Upgrade to pro features. Platforms like 3𝐀𝐿, Bitsgap, and Pionex offer advanced analytics, AI signals, and trailing algorithms that boost performance significantly. Time the market conditions. In bull markets, aggressive bots like trend and leverage bots thrive. In choppy markets, grid bots and arbitrage bots work better. Switch strategies based on the market cycle to stay profitable all year round. Final thoughts. Why AI crypto trading bots are the ultimate passive hustle. Most side hustles still need your time, whether it's content creation, flipping products, or managing clients. But AI trading bots? They're your digital employees, working 24/7, never taking breaks, never making emotional decisions. They require no trading skills. They adapt to fast-moving markets, and they can turn small capital into serious monthly income over time. Whether your goal is $10 a day or $100 plus a day, the systems are in place. You just need to plug in and let the bots do their thing. Want more AI-powered income systems? This channel is built for that. We break down the smartest ways to build passive income using automation, AI, and zero fluff. If you're ready to escape the grind and start stacking digital income streams, subscribe to MoneyMatic Masters right now, and drop a comment if you want us to review or compare any trading bots in detail. Next video, we're going even deeper into AI strategies that outperform full-time traders without ever touching a chart. You don't want to miss it. Catch you in the next one. Legends. Computer, laptop, spreadsheet, rocket. Welcome to the new gold rush, but it's digital. Once upon a time, creating digital products required graphic designers, course developers, copywriters, and sometimes weeks of effort. But now, AI has collapsed the timeline from idea to market ready down to hours, or even minutes. We're living through a digital transformation where intelligent tools can produce sellable assets on demand. From ebooks and planners to Notion templates, social media kits, and entire video courses, AI can build it fast. And here's the kicker. These aren't just passion projects. They're making real money for thousands of creators. You've seen the screenshots? $9,800 made this month on Etsy, $6,500 passive sales on Gumroad, $300 daily from digital planners. What most of them don't show you? AI did 90% of the heavy lifting. You don't need to be a designer, educator, or writer. You just need the right tools, a creative angle, and a smart sales strategy. Why digital products are exploding right now. Let's break this down with facts, not hype. Low overhead. You make it once, sell it infinitely. No inventory, zero shipping, storage, or packaging. Global reach. Sell 24/7 on Etsy, Gumroad, your site, or even through email. evergreen value. Templates, guides, and courses don't go out of style, they just get updated. But here's what changed in 2024. The barrier to creation dropped dramatically. The demand for done-for-you tools skyrocketed. AI became the creative engine behind the scenes. Think of AI-generated digital products as digital real estate. You build it once, and if it solves a real problem or saves someone time, people will pay again and again. What makes a good digital product? Before we jump into tools, you need to understand what sells and why. Here's a simple success framework. Solves a specific problem. Freelance contract template for graphic designers, saves time or energy. Pre-filled weekly planner for busy moms, feels aesthetic or premium clean design sells. Even digital products need to feel high value. Teaches or transforms. Whether it's a mindset workbook or a course on budgeting, transformation sells, can be reused or adapted. The best products have repeat value or offer customization. AI can't always decide the niche for you, but once you find a direction, it can generate an entire catalog around that theme. Niches you can tap into today. If you want $1,000 a week, don't sell to everyone, niche down. Serve deeply, dominate. Here are AI-optimized niches with proven demand. Education and study tools, planners, guides, flashcards, business and productivity, Notion dashboards, SOPs, wellness and self-care, journals, affirmation packs, habit trackers. Creators and coaches, content calendars, webinar kits. Moms and parenting, meal planners, activity charts, home management templates. Mental health, therapy worksheets, reflection tools. Travel and lifestyle, packing lists, itineraries, budgeting sheets. You don't need to be an expert in these, you need to understand their needs, and AI can help you serve them beautifully. Realistic earnings. Breakdown. So how do you actually hit $1,000 per week? Here's a conservative estimate for a single digital product. You price it at $12.99. You get 5 daily sales across Etsy plus Gumroad equals $65 per day. Over 7 days equals $455 per week. Add 1 to 2 more products equals $1,000+ per week. This is exactly how digital creators scale without going viral. They build quality digital tools, automate the flow, and let AI help multiply the output. Scaling to full-time passive income with AI plus smart systems. How to scale from $1,000 per week to full-time passive income. You've created a product. You've made your first sales. Now it's time to go from side hustle to automated income machine. Here's how you scale like a pro using systems, not stress. 1. Multiply your offers. Using AI variations, don't reinvent the wheel, remix it. Let's say you've built a productivity planner for freelancers. Now use ChatGPT to spin that same structure into a planner for busy moms, a version for remote employees, a themed edition for students, a luxury-styled version with premium design elements, one base product, 4 plus revenue streams. Package them as bundles. Cross-sell them in your listings. This simple method can 3 times your earnings with minimal extra work. 2. Create product ecosystems, aka microbrands. Think like a brand, not a vendor. If your first product is a goal planner, your next 3 should support that niche. Mindset journal, productivity toolkit, 365 daily affirmations. Now you're no longer selling random items, you're offering a value-driven collection that keeps customers coming back. Use Notion or Airtable to track product ideas, niches, and performance. This is how top Etsy and Gumroad sellers scale without burning out. 3. Capture emails from day 1. Here's the secret weapon most beginners skip. Every sale should build your email list. Every freebie should grow your audience. Use ConvertKit or MailerLite for automation. Offer a lead magnet. Download 3 free pages or mini template bundle. Trigger an automated funnel that suggests paid products. Now you're not just making sales, you're building a brand that sells on autopilot. 4. Automate marketing with AI. Marketing used to be hard. Now it's just smart prompts and great tools. Here's your AI marketing arsenal. ChatGPT generates email sequences, launch campaigns, and ad copy. Okoya/Predis.ai automatically creates and schedules social media posts. Jasper AI writes high-converting product descriptions. 𝐵𝐻IV or Substack for publishing AI-generated newsletters. Schedule a week of promos in one afternoon. Let the bots run while you relax. 5. Real examples. Creators doing this successfully. Let's look at a few real-life solopreneurs scaling the AI way. Mia, a student in Toronto, makes $3,000 a month selling AI-generated planners and habit trackers on Etsy. Jared, a digital nomad, sells Notion templates and Gumroad guides, built a $12,000 a month side hustle. Leah, a mom of 2, created AI-led journaling printables, now makes $1,000 plus per week while running her household. None of them are influencers. None are designers. They just used AI tools, a smart workflow, and solid digital products. Final take. You don't need to be a tech guru or designer. In 2025, the tools are too smart, and the opportunity is too wide open to ignore. You can create content with AI design with drag-and-drop tools, market with AI automation, sell on platforms with built-in traffic, all from home without inventory, employees, or showing your face. CTA. Ready to build your AI income machine? Subscribe to MoneyMatic Masters, where we break down AI-powered income strategies step by step with no fluff. Drop a comment if you're ready to launch your first product, and check our next video. 0 to 10K with AI templates, the 3-week blueprint. Let's build the future at one digital asset at a time. You've got this, only on MoneyMatic Masters. The future of blogging. AI is changing the game. Blogging has always been one of the most powerful ways to make money online. But let's be honest, it's time-consuming. Writing high-quality articles, optimizing for SEO, driving traffic, and monetizing, it can feel like a full-time job. But what if I told you that AI can now do 90% of the work for you? That's right. With AI-powered blogging, you can generate high-quality content, optimize it for SEO, and scale your blog without spending hours writing every post yourself. Bloggers who once struggled to break even are now hitting $10,000 a month in passive income by leveraging AI automation. In this video, we'll break down how AI revolutionizes blogging and makes content creation effortless, the best AI tools to automate your entire blog SEO strategies that help AI-generated content rank on Google monetization tactics, ads, affiliate marketing, and digital products. How to scale to $10,000 per month while AI does most of the work. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up, automate, and monetize an AI-powered blog without writing every post from scratch. Let's get started. How AI revolutionizes blogging. The old way of blogging required you to spend hours researching, writing, editing, and optimizing every single post. But today, AI can handle most of that process. AI generates full blog posts in minutes based on your niche and target keywords. AI improves readability, grammar, and engagement, making your posts more user-friendly. AI automates keyword research and SEO, ensuring your content ranks higher on search engines. AI personalizes content for different audiences, increasing retention and conversions. The result? You can scale your blog 10 times faster without spending hours writing every article yourself. Example: a blogger used AI tools to generate 100 plus high-quality posts in just a few months and started earning $3,000 per month from ad revenue alone. Why this works? More content, more traffic. AI keeps posts high quality and SEO-friendly. Faster output means higher earnings faster. Now, let's look at the best AI tools to automate your blogging journey. Best AI tools for content creation. To build a successful AI-powered blog, you need the right tools. Here are the top AI blogging tools that will automate your workflow and maximize your results. 1. ChatGPT and Jasper AI. AI writing assistants. These tools can generate entire blog posts, outlines, and ideas in minutes. ChatGPT GPT-4. Best for research, blog outlines, and drafting articles. Jasper AI. Designed specifically for bloggers, it generates long-form content that sounds natural. How to use them. Input a blog topic and let AI generate a full outline. Expand each section with AI-generated content. Refine and edit for a personal touch. Pro tip: use Jasper's boss mode to create detailed, engaging content faster. 2. Surfer SEO. AI-driven SEO optimization. Writing a blog post isn't enough. It needs to rank on Google. That's where Surfer SEO comes in. Surfer SEO analyzes top-ranking posts and optimizes your content for higher rankings. It suggests keyword density, internal links, and readability improvements. Integrates with Jasper AI for SEO, optimized AI content generation. How to use it. Run a keyword analysis before writing your post. Use Surfer SEO's recommendations to optimize headings, word count, and readability. Boost your rankings without manually researching SEO strategies. Pro tip: combine Surfer SEO plus Jasper AI for high-ranking AI-powered blog posts. 3. Word Hero AI-powered blog writing. Another powerful AI writing tool that generates high-quality blog posts in minutes. Creates engaging, well-structured content with minimal input. Generates blog introductions, conclusions, and headlines optimized for engagement. Includes over 60+ AI templates for different content needs. How to use it. Pick a blog topic and let Word Hero generate an outline. Expand sections with AI-generated content and refine as needed. Publish ready-to-rank blog posts in a fraction of the time. Pro tip: use AI to generate FAQs for extra SEO value. 4. Grammarly and Hemingway AI content enhancement. Even though AI writes for you, you need to refine and optimize your posts for clarity and engagement. Grammarly improves grammar, sentence structure, and tone. Hemingway app makes your content clearer, more concise, and more engaging. How to use them. Run AI-generated content through Grammarly to fix errors and improve readability. Use Hemingway to simplify complex sentences and make your blog more engaging. Pro tip: keep sentences short and easy to read. Google ranks content with better readability. Monetizing your AI blog. Turning clicks into cash. Now that your blog is gaining traction thanks to AI-fueled content and SEO, it's time to talk money. Because, let's be honest, a blog without monetization is just a diary. The goal? Create multiple income streams that run 24/7, even when you're asleep or on vacation. Monetization method. Number 1. Display ads. This is the simplest, most passive way to start making money with your blog. Platforms like Google AdSense, 𝐻𝐸tx, and Mediavine let you plug in ad code, and they handle the rest. They serve up personalized ads to your readers based on browsing behavior, and you get paid for impressions or clicks. But here's where it gets smart. AI tools like AdSense Auto Ads or 𝐻𝐸tx Leap use machine learning to optimize where, when, and what type of ads to show, maximizing your earnings without cluttering your site. Real talk. With just 10,000 monthly visitors, blogs are seeing $100 to $300 per month via AdSense. With 50,000 plus monthly readers, 𝐻𝐸tx or Mediavine users can rake in 1,000 plus per month just from ads. And remember, thanks to AI content automation, reaching 50,000 visitors isn't a fantasy, it's a system. Monetization method. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Think of affiliate marketing as digital real estate. You create valuable content, sprinkle in links, and when someone buys via your link, you get paid. Tools like Thirsty Affiliates auto-manage your affiliate links. Affiliate helps you track clicks, revenue, and conversions. ChatGPT and Claude write persuasive product reviews, listicles, and tutorials in minutes. Example: write a blog post titled Top 5 AI Writing Tools for 2025 and use affiliate links to Jasper, Copy.ai, and Surfer SEO. Every click and purchase earns you a cut. Some AI bloggers earn $3,000 to $5,000 per month just from product comparisons and tool tutorials. No hard selling, just smart, honest value. Monetization method. Number 3, selling digital products. If affiliate links and ads are the appetizers, digital products are the main course. You can sell ebooks, AI written in hours using ChatGPT plus Canva, Notion templates built with AI prompts and productivity tools, mini courses using Synthesia for AI avatars, plus screen recordings, email templates, workbooks, spreadsheets. These products are created once and sold forever. Fully automated through platforms like Gumroad, Selfie, or Podia. Automate delivery with Zapier, auto-send product files via email. MailerLite for upsells and nurturing. Stripe or PayPal for seamless transactions. RealCase, a creator launched a $9 productivity template pack, promoted it via an SEO-optimized blog post. With 300 monthly sales, that's $2,700 a month, all passive. It's time to launch your blog empire. There's never been a better time. AI has removed every obstacle that held people back in the past. You don't need writing experience, technical knowledge, money for a big team. All you need is a niche you're curious about, a few AI tools, many are free or cheap, the desire to build something that works while you don't start today. Write your first post with AI, add value, optimize, monetize, scale. And don't worry, you're not alone on this journey. Subscribe to MoneyMatic Masters for weekly breakdowns on how to launch blogs, automate income stack, passive profits using AI and smart tech. Like the video if this helped. Drop a comment with your niche idea. Hit that bell because we're just getting started. Stay bold, stay automated, and always keep building income that doesn't steal your time. Let's face it, human traders are flawed. They get emotional, they chase pumps, they panic sell bottoms, they overtrade. Even the best full-time traders, those glued to charts for 12 hours a day, can fall victim to confirmation bias, fear of missing out, revenge, trading after a loss, cognitive overload from tracking multiple pairs. But now, something new is outperforming them silently and consistently. AI doesn't care about news headlines, price volatility, or emotional pressure. It follows pure mathematical logic, executing decisions at a scale and speed no human can match. Why human trading is becoming obsolete. In the traditional world of trading, success was often tied to intuition, experience, and relentless hours spent analyzing candlesticks, volume indicators, RSI levels, and Fibonacci retracements. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Emotion-based trading is inefficient, inconsistent, and outdated. Humans are wired with cognitive biases, like confirmation bias, recency bias, and loss aversion, which frequently sabotage performance. Even experienced traders fall prey to overtrading, panic selling, and FOMO. Now, enter AI-driven trading systems, designed not only to process more data than a human ever could, but also to make split-second decisions with zero emotional interference. AI doesn't sleep. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't second-guess itself. Instead, it relies on hard-coded logic, dynamic algorithms, and real-time optimization to outperform even the most seasoned traders. The tech behind AI trading. Let's break down what's under the hood of these modern systems. 1. Machine learning algorithms, ML models, analyze historical and real-time data to identify complex patterns in price, volume, and momentum. These models continuously self-optimize based on performance. 2. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP allows AI bots to digest and react to news headlines, economic reports, and even earnings calls within seconds. 3. Reinforcement learning, RL. This is the closest AI gets to trader intuition. The system is rewarded for profitable trades and penalized for poor ones, evolving through trial and error just like a human, but at lightning speed. Firms like Renaissance Technologies and 2 Sigma have utilized forms of RL to build adaptive trading systems capable of learning from changing market regimes. These technologies together create a compound intelligence, one that no solo trader can match. Types of AI trading bots. You should know, there's no one-size-fits-all bot. Different types serve different strategic needs. Here are the most impactful categories. 1. Signal-based bots. These are your classic rule-based bots, but supercharged with AI. Analyze dozens of indicators, MACD, RSI, EMAs, Bollinger Bands, etc. Generate long short signals based on probability-weighted outcomes. Execute trades automatically or send signals to the trader, AI add-on. These bots learn which indicators perform best in specific market environments and adjust the signal weightings accordingly. Ideal for beginners wanting to semi-automate while staying in control. Second, market-making bots. Perfect for those who want consistent, low-risk profits through providing liquidity. Place simultaneous buy and sell orders around the market price. Profit from the bid-ask spread, thousands of times a day. Smart spread control and order depth monitoring, adjusting for volume spikes, volatility, and slippage. Ideal for stablecoins, high-volume assets, and sideways markets. 3. Sentiment analysis. Bots crawl news websites, Reddit threads, and market commentary, perform real-time sentiment scoring on assets. Trade based on crowd psychology. Before the crowd reacts, natural language processing, plus deep learning classifiers trained on thousands of historical events for accurate prediction. Ideal for crypto markets, where sentiment drives extreme price swings. 4. Copy and mirror bots. Social AI trading. Follow and replicate the trades of top-performing traders or AI strategies. Allocate capital proportionally across multiple strategies. Who's already using these? Let's clear a myth. AI trading isn't limited to tech bros or hedge funds. Retail investors, small businesses, even freelancers are now deploying AI-powered bots from their laptops or mobile phones. Platforms like Pionex, 3 Commas, Bitscap, and Stoic AI have democratized access. Setup takes less than 30 minutes. No coding required. Some bots run profitably with as little as $250 capital. And it gets better. Most platforms offer backtesting tools, letting you simulate performance before risking a single cent. AI trading setups that deliver. Let's break down the actual AI-powered setups and how they work like strategic money machines. 1. Multi-asset mean reversion model. Assets tend to revert to their historical average, mean, after large deviations. This model capitalizes on that logic, scientifically. How AI applies it, trained on thousands of data points across timeframes, hourly, daily, weekly, flags. Assets that deviate 2 or more standard deviations from the mean, identifies oversold and overbought zones with near-instant execution speed. What makes it powerful? AI doesn't rely on emotions. It executes mechanically when conditions match, diversifies trades across Forex, crypto, and equities to minimize risk results. Based on historical backtests, win rate, approximately 72% annualized return, 12 to 18% max drawdown, under 8% best for low-risk, long-term passive income seekers. 2. Trend following neural net. The trend is your friend. But identifying real trends is hard. That's where deep learning steps in. Uses convolutional neural networks, CNNs, trained to spot real-time trend structures, learns from thousands of successful breakout patterns, eliminating false signals, adapts in real time to macroeconomic news, volume surges, and momentum shifts. Why it outperforms humans. Humans second-guess entries and exits. AI doesn't. It executes with precision, not emotion. Neural nets see relationships in data that are invisible to human traders. 3. Arbitrage engine. Buy low on one exchange, sell high on another. Classic market inefficiency, now fully automated. How AI applies it. Monitors hundreds of asset pairs across 10 to 15 exchanges in milliseconds. Calculates price spreads, transaction fees, and latency risk in real-time time. Executes dual-leg trades instantly to lock in guaranteed profits. Why it's a gold mine. Crypto and Forex markets are highly inefficient. Cross-border price discrepancies are common. Retail traders can't do this manually. It's too fast. You don't need to trade to profit from trading. We're not in the 2010s anymore. You don't need technical analysis, emotional roller coasters, endless chart time. You need smart automation, real-time data interpretation, capital discipline through AI systems. The future of trading isn't human, it's human plus AI. And if you're still trying to trade like it's 1999, you're leaving serious money on the table. Subscribe now to MoneyMatic Masters. We break down high-level AI strategies, trading systems, and passive income tools so you can build automated wealth with precision and confidence. Results. Not guesswork. Intelligence. Not emotion. That's the MoneyMatic Masters way.
This channel is for education purpose only. All videos, presentations, and writing are only for educational purposes and are not intended as investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk and after consulting your financial advisor.
Imagine waking up every morning to see your portfolio up, not because you studied charts all night, but because a machine did it for you. That's not a sci-fi fantasy anymore. It's 2025, and AI is officially eating Wall Street. Imagine making money in the stock market while you're asleep, traveling, or even working your 9 to 5. No charts, no stress, no second guessing. This isn't just some marketing fantasy. This is the real deal, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. We're living in a time when the machines are taking over the market and outperforming human experts at their own game. So if you've ever felt like stock trading is too complicated, too risky, or just not for you, this video will change everything. Because today, you're going to learn how AI is flipping the script, and how beginners, yes, even with zero experience, are using it to generate consistent income from the markets. Let's start with this: how AI is changing the stock market. Just a few years ago, trading was a game of instincts, emotions, and guesswork. A news headline could tank a stock, a rumor could send it flying, and unless you were glued to a dozen screens, you'd miss the move. Today, the stock market is being reshaped by data, and AI is the architect. AI doesn't make decisions based on gut feelings. It's cold, calculated, and frighteningly efficient. It processes millions of data points, from real-time price action and volume indicators to earnings reports, market sentiment, and even tweets from Elon Musk, all in a fraction of a second. Let's break down what this means. One AI thinks faster than any human trader might analyze a few charts, maybe skim some financial news, and then make a decision. AI, on the other hand, runs thousands of simulations in real time, backtests them instantly, and delivers the highest probability trade setups, all before the market even opens. It's like having a team of elite Wall Street analysts, on steroids, and available 24/7. 2. It spots patterns. Humans are emotional. AI is mathematical. That's why it's so good at recognizing patterns that we miss. Maybe it sees that tech stocks tend to surge on Wednesdays after specific macroeconomic reports. Maybe it identifies a correlation between oil prices and airline stocks 9 days in advance. Whatever it is, you won't see it, but AI does, and it acts on it instantly. 3. It levels the playing field. For decades, powerful trading algorithms were locked behind billion-dollar hedge funds and proprietary firms. But now, anyone with a laptop and a few $100 can access these tools. And that's the game changer. It's no longer about who has the most experience. It's about who's using the smartest tools. Now, before you run off and throw money into the next shiny AI app, let's talk about the ones that actually work. The best AI trading bots for beginners. These aren't just any bots. These are beginner-friendly tools designed to help you automate your trades, reduce risk, and maximize returns without having to become a Wall Street wizard. Let's dive in. Trade Ideas. Your personal AI day trader Trade Ideas is often referred to as the Tesla of trading software, and for good reason. It comes loaded with a built-in AI named Holly. Yes, she even has a name. And Holly is like having a trading coach who already knows the best place before the bell rings. Each morning, Holly runs 1 million-plus trading simulations, scanning every U.S. stock to identify the best setups based on historical data, technical patterns, and market momentum. Why it's great for beginners. You get clearly labeled buy or short alerts with reasoning, entry, just exit points, and risk assessments. You don't need to interpret charts. Holly does the thinking, you just follow the plan. Tickeron. AI-powered, but teaches you. As You Go Tickeron is one of the most intuitive AI platforms for newer traders. It gives you pattern predictions along with a confidence score. Think of it as an AI-powered weather forecast for stocks. What's different here? It not only shows you what's likely to happen, but gives you probability stats based on historical accuracy. For instance, if the AI sees a head and shoulders pattern with a 78% success rate in the last 100 trades, it lets you know. Why this matters? It helps you make smarter decisions while learning the logic behind the trade. You're not just blindly copying signals, you're gaining insight. TrendSpider, charting on autopilot. If you love technical analysis but hate the time it takes, TrendSpider is for you. It uses AI to draw support resistance zones, Fibonacci levels, trend lines, and candlestick patterns automatically. No more second guessing if a breakout is legit. No more messy charts. It even lets you backtest your strategies with a few clicks. Bonus, set alerts for when price enters your buy zone or when RSI crosses a threshold. It's like setting traps in the market and letting the AI catch the prey. Stoic by Syndicator, fully hands-free trading. This is for the lazy geniuses out there. With Stoic, you just connect your crypto exchange, like Binance or Kraken, fund your account, and that's it. Stoic uses hedge fund-grade quant strategies to build and manage your crypto portfolio 24/7. Why it's unique? There's zero work after setup. The AI handles rebalancing, asset allocation, and risk management. And the best part? The longer it runs, the better it gets. Learning your goals and optimizing based on real-time performance. Risk management strategies for AI trading. Now let's get real. AI doesn't mean zero risk. It means smart risk. Even the best bots make losing trades. That's why a solid risk management strategy is non-negotiable. Here's what every smart AI trader does. Checkmark 1. Diversify strategies. Don't rely on a single trading style. Use one bot for trend following, another for earnings plays, and maybe one for crypto swings. This spreads risk and stabilizes returns. 2. Set daily loss limits. Almost every AI platform allows this. It's like telling your bot, if we lose more than 2% today, stop trading. This one rule alone can protect you from massive drawdowns during market chaos. 3. Keep leverage low tempting. As it is to double your bet, don't over-leverage. AI isn't a genie, it's a system. Use conservative sizing until your strategy is consistently profitable over time. 4. Use stop losses and trailing stops. Even AI needs boundaries. Stop losses protect your capital. Trailing stops help lock in profits as the market moves in your favor, without exiting too early. 5. Avoid emotional override. Here's the paradox. The only time most AI bots fail is when humans interfere. Trust the data. Let it run. Stick to the rules. And most importantly, don't panic trade. How AI traders are making six-figure effortlessly. You might be wondering, does this actually work? Let's talk real results. A 24-year-old from Texas turned $3,000 into over $90,000 in 12 months using an AI swing trading bot that ran during market hours while he worked at a coffee shop. A retired engineer in Germany now makes over $8,000 per month in passive income by letting 𝐀𝐿 manage his crypto portfolio. He hasn't made a manual trade in over a year. One user of Trade Ideas with no finance background uses Holly's signals for day trading and made $28,000 in his first quarter. These aren't lottery wins. These are data-driven, automated systems, doing the work consistently. What they all have in common? They trusted the tech, they learned the basics, they stayed disciplined. And the best part? The system only gets smarter over time. Final take. This is your moment. AI isn't the future of trading, it's the present. And the people who are using it today, not next year, not someday, are the ones stacking real gains without burnout or guesswork. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need to be glued to screens. You just need the right tools and a willingness to start. So here's your move. Pick an AI trading bot that fits your style. Start small, test, learn, and adapt. Let the system grow while you keep your time and sanity. This is how real, scalable AI-powered income is built. And if you want more detailed breakdowns of the best tools, strategies, and AI systems for hands-free wealth, make sure to subscribe to MoneyMatic Masters right now. We drop new videos every week that decode passive income systems using cutting-edge AI so you can grow smarter, not harder. Your journey to effortless algorithm-powered wealth starts today. Let's build.
Top 3 AI tools that predict market trends and make you rich. How AI is changing the finance game. The rise of smart money. For decades, access to predictive financial tools was locked behind the glass walls of investment banks and multi-billion-dollar hedge funds. Only institutional players with deep pockets could afford algorithmic systems that parsed data and forecasted trends before they hit mainstream markets. But the world has shifted. Now, thanks to consumer-grade AI tools, that edge is available to everyone, even a solo investor working from a laptop. AI doesn't just crunch numbers, it processes nonlinear patterns, identifies hidden correlations, and detects momentum signals across stock prices, commodities, currencies, and even macroeconomic indicators. And here's the kicker. The same AI systems that used to power trading desks at Goldman Sachs or Renaissance Technologies are now distilled into apps or platforms for under $100 a month. So whether you're a crypto enthusiast, long-term investor, or total beginner, AI is your co-pilot, and it's equipped with radar, night vision, and heat maps. From guesswork to precision, the AI investing advantage. Let's break this down. Traditional market analysis was reactive. News breaks. The stock reacts. You try to catch the wave. By then, you're already late. But with AI, real-time web scraping. Tools like AlphaSense or Numerai scrape financial reports, global news, economic calendars, and Reddit threads in real time. They don't just gather data, they analyze it. Sentiment analysis. AI reads between the lines. It knows when Elon tweets something that'll nudge Dogecoin, or when a lawsuit against a biotech firm signals an opportunity. Predictive modeling. Advanced bots use machine learning to understand seasonal cycles, election year behavior, consumer shifts, and even geopolitical triggers. Imagine knowing when a particular sector, like green energy or AI chips, is about to explode, based on thousands of data signals, before any human trader even sees it coming. That's not a fantasy. That's AI in action. AI doesn't replace strategy, it supercharges it. Let's get real. AI is powerful, but it's not a magic wand. Blindly following a bot's prediction without understanding context, that's a rookie move. Here's what pros do instead. Use AI tools to filter out noise. Combine insights with personal knowledge or macro views. Backtest predictions to see how reliable they are. Integrate AI outputs into a broader, diversified portfolio strategy. The beauty is in collaboration, not replacement. A smart investor uses AI to reduce human bias, avoid emotional decisions, get alerts on anomalies or breakout patterns, allocate funds more intelligently. Think of AI as a scalpel, not a hammer. It's precise, surgical, and game-changing, in the hands of someone who understands when and how to use it. Trade Ideas, the AI day trading assistant used by pros. Trade Ideas isn't just a stock scanner. It's a full-blown AI engine built to find profitable trades in real time.
while most traders are still stuck analyzing charts manually. Its secret weapon? An AI engine called 𝐻𝐻𝐻. 𝐻𝐻𝐻 runs millions of simulations every single night using real market data. By morning, she delivers a curated list of the highest probability trades based on technical setups, risk-reward ratios, volume and price action, market trends and anomalies. This means instead of digging through hundreds of tickers, you wake up to a data-backed playbook of what to buy, when to buy, and how much to risk. Let's say 𝐻𝐻𝐻 spots a low-float biotech stock that just triggered a multi-day breakout pattern. With 3 years of back-tested data showing an average 6% move in 2 days. 𝐻𝐻𝐻 alerts you. You act fast. By the time retail traders catch on, you're already in profit. Who should use it? Day traders and swing traders who want to remove guesswork. Busy professionals looking for high-conviction setups. Beginner traders who want to learn from AI-powered strategy. Use 𝐻𝐻𝐻's risk mode filter to align with your personal style. Aggressive for momentum trading, or conservative if you prefer safer entries. 𝐂𝐻𝐬, the AI engine that ranks stocks, based on human plus quant data. If Trade Ideas is a short-term assassin, 𝐂𝐻𝐬 is the long-term strategist. It's powered by 𝐻𝐻𝐻, a predictive AI model that assigns each stock a K-score, a numeric rating of future performance probability. But what makes 𝐂𝐻𝐻𝐻 different is this. It doesn't rely purely on charts. It combines fundamental, technical, and behavioral data. That includes earnings reports, insider buying selling CEO tone during earnings, analyst upgrades, social sentiment, price action momentum. The result? A curated list of high-scoring stocks, often ones that aren't even on Wall Street's radar yet. A mid-cap energy company has a neutral chart but suddenly sees a spike in insider buying CEO giving bullish statements on a recent call. Analysts adjusting EPS expectations upward, 𝐂𝐻𝐻 assigns it a high K-score. The stock rallies 20% over the next 6 weeks, and you saw it coming. Swing traders and long-term investors. Fundamental investors who want to backtest thesis with data. Portfolio builders optimizing asset allocation. Use 𝐂𝐻𝐻's API to integrate your K-score watch list into your brokerage dashboard for weekly rebalancing based on AI insights. Alt Index, the AI system that reads the internet to predict what's next. Alt Index is one of the most underrated trend prediction tools in finance. Why? Because it tracks the one thing charts can't: people's actual behavior. Alt Index pulls real-time alternative data from social media platforms, App Store download metrics, hiring trends at companies, Google search volume, product reviews, and brand sentiment. It then feeds all this into an AI engine that flags companies gaining real-world traction before that growth shows up in the stock price. Imagine a small e-commerce company starts hiring aggressively. Their app jumps 4,000 spots in the App Store, and TikTok influencers begin mentioning their brand daily. Alt Index flags the pattern. The market hasn't reacted yet, but early investors jump in. A month later, it goes viral. That's real alpha. Retail traders who want to front-run trends. Growth investors focused on emerging sectors. Crypto enthusiasts tracking early adoption signals. Use Alt Index's composite score to identify top-performing stocks across all data categories. These are the ones most likely to explode. Why these tools matter? This isn't about replacing your brain with robots. It's about amplifying your edge with intelligent data, the kind no human could process alone. These tools don't just help you pick better stocks. They predict industry rotation, spot shifts in consumer sentiment, quantify risk-reward better than most analysts. And the best part? They don't care about hype. They follow pure data. Start predicting profitable trends before they explode. If you're tired of late entries, chasing hype, getting wrecked by market turns, then it's time to invest with intelligence. These AI tools aren't just cool. They're designed to make you profitable. And the best part? They level the playing field. You don't need to be a Wall Street analyst to use them. Subscribe now to MoneyMatic Masters, the home of passive income automation, AI investing hacks, and strategies the top 1% don't want you to know. Let AI do the heavy lifting. You focus on the profits.